I'm Elsie.
And I'm Debbie.
And we're two sisters Southern cooking.
We are doing barbecue chicken in the crock pot today. If you choose to, you can have it on your baked potato as a loaded baked potato. If not, you can just serve it on your plate with as a side, as your main dish or whatever. So we're gonna get started here. I have barbecue sauce, brown sugar, and I'm just going to stir this up until it's combined in here. And then I have Worcestershire, I have salt to taste, and I have Italian dressing. So I'm going to put in my Worcestershire. I have my chicken right here. This Italian dressing was fresh made. This is what's left. We are going to have salad tonight. So if someone wants some Italian dressing on their salad, they can. Alright, I'm going to pour the chicken in. We have chicken breast fillets that we're going to do this with. And this is going in your crock pot on high for 3 to 4 hours. And then we're going to shred it up. We might leave one of the chicken breasts in a little bit larger pieces. That way if someone chooses just to have a barbecue, piece of barbecue chicken, they can. And we can just make it into like tenders instead of shredding it. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this over top. Make sure they're coated really well. And that's all that's going in here is what I'm pouring in right now. No other liquids or nothing. You could do this and serve this as your main dish and don't shred it. Just barbecue them, and you can use thigh meat, which is really good. Nice and moist. You could even take a whole cut up chicken and put in here if you chose to. The options are yours. We just had some chicken breasts, so that's what we used. Alright. Everything looks covered good. Alright, so I'm going to go put this on, and we will show you what it looks like when we go to shred up what we're going to shred.
Hey yo, it's Debbie. We are doing something spectacular. We are doing loaded baked potatoes with meat. We are doing it with chives, we're doing it with onions, well, the scallions, and cheese, and we're just gonna load it up. Just gonna be so good, y'all. So we are presently making crock pot barbecue chicken to put on top, and we're also going to do beef taco mix with the McCormick's. Of course, that's my favorite. And I am going to go ahead and just poke holes into our baked potatoes. They have been rinsed and washed off. I'm just making 3 to 4 holes in them, and then after I do that, I'm going to sprinkle them with salt and pepper, put olive oil on them, and then we're going to wrap them up in tinfoil, put them in the oven at 425 for 1 hour, and they are going to be fork tender. All right, let me go ahead and sprinkle these. You can use the large kosher salt, the coarse kosher salt if you want to. I didn't dig it out of the cabinet, out of the pantry. So we're gonna use regular salt. And we're gonna do some yummy black pepper. I'm gonna make these so delicious, y'all. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top of these. Now we can wrap them up. So I'm gonna take my potato, just kind of like, I'm gonna massage it a little bit. Wrap it up. There's enough baked potatoes for all of us here tonight. There are 7 of us that eat every week together. We sit down and we enjoy each other's company. It's so nice to have family, because you don't realize how many people out there who actually don't have anyone. And to have that to share with each other, it's a blessing. So, especially the older you get, sometimes people aren't around. So you got to be able to enjoy the moments you have with them while you can. All right, and I'm just going to continue to rub these in. And once we get these potatoes done, then we can take, open them up and just stuff them with all the good stuff, yummy stuff that we have. We got some fresh chives from our garden. And of course we have scallions. And cheese. I'm gonna go grate some fresh cheddar cheese. Hey y'all, so this is the end result of our stuffed baked potatoes. So, what all do you want on yours?
I want everything.
You want everything. All right. So, Elsie, we are going to do the
barbecue chicken.
The barbecue chicken one. And I put the au jus in here. And
that should be enough after that.
Close that up. We'll put some cheese on here and
some sour cream. And some onions.
So put some scallions on there.
And a little bit of chives.
A little bit of chives.
Okay, that's mine. Mine's good.
Okay, and that look good, guys. Oh my gosh. Loaded baked potato. All right, so do you want to put cheese on first, or do you want to put the
No, it's up to you. It's yours.
cheese on first? Okay. Now we're going to put the beef tacos on there. And of course, I want some scallions. I want a little bit of chives on there. And I want a dollop of daisy. That would be sour cream. Doesn't that look good, guys? Oh my gosh. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and sit down and have dinner, and it's gonna be good, y'all. And we'll see you in our next video. Have a blessed night.
Hi, I'm Elsie.
And I'm Debbie.
And we're Two Sisters Southern Cooking.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you.